come on, let's cook tomato stew together. We're having a beef stew, and here's our beef already washed. So let's get to it.
I need to wear my shoes.
Yes. I know that way you are carrying him.
I already play outside.
Yeah, but you can still play outside again and again. The weather is so nice.
You really not me already outside. Then me have no me. You say yes.
Why did I say yes? Ooh, that is so hot.
Then you say no. You say yes. Mommy.
We have curry.
Sorry.
Yes. We have thyme. And even not just, I already told you, even when you buy beef, I also told you that I need beef for stew.
Yeah,
Get your
are you
hands
eating?
off my beef. Get your hands off my beef now. Emily, stop it. Stop playing with me. I want a proper Nigerian soup today. But you know what you can have with? Eggs. Do you want?
You like?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. The video stopped. Leah, Lily. Ja, Mami ist stopping nur ein No. Immer wenn dein Mundchen aufgehen würde. Ja, jetzt geht das raus. I guess he's done. Okay. Yeah, it stopped again.
Mm-hmm. Let's cook.
It's clean. It's clean, 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 das Mäuschen. We can go and play. Looks lecker already.
Frying the oil. Frying the
Onions.
now the onions and the tin tomatoes paste together. So when you give time for the tomatoes paste, it's gonna cut off the what's it called?
Sour.
The sour taste from it.
No, not, this is not sour.
Mm-hmm.
It's a juice sauce.
We have a liver here that I've already cooked and put in the freezer. Just want to add them up. Add that to it. We're gonna let it cook a little bit and try out the taste. If you don't have enough
Salt.
paste, and then we're gonna add our
Spice.
our spice to it. But now I'm cooking it with the spice, the meat stock. With the meat stock.
How is it?
And it
What's that?
Hmm?
What is that?
actually helps. I don't put salt. I don't put pepper because of liver. It has enough pepper already. Okay. So with that, we're gonna know the amount of things we're gonna add in. Of course, my curry, come here.
Curry.
Mm-hmm. You have to hear the aroma later. What do I need? Just the paprika. A little bit of that.
Black pepper. Black pepper.
Ah,
What's that?
nutmeg.
Ah,
Oh, shall we add more of that? Nutmeg, the aroma of the
curry.
curry. It's already coming in. So what do I need again? Nothing. So chicken, beef cube. I'm gonna just add one of it because I've already used two to cook this, the beef. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it because it's too thick.
How much? 3? 4?
Why are you shouting? Are you the not the one that is eating it?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There is beef. There is liver.
Okay.
There is a bit of everything.
A bit of everything. Okay. Is that ready?
Going for a wash.
Also. Bye-bye.
This bit is too small for it, but I have no choice.
Yeah. Now it's mine. Yeah.
Looks yummy.
My princess is my face.
Is that juice?
Yes. Yes.
Make her to do finalizing.
So, our stew is ready. And the rice is also ready. Everything is ready. So now, we have to concentrate on our